What is up, guys, and welcome back to another market update. So it's been a very interesting one over the past 24 hours, as you probably know, because the Fed meeting was 75 basis points and not 100, so very bullish for crypto in that sense. We are back over the $1 trillion market cap, which is very bullish. I'm very, very happy with that. So everything's looking very green. All you need to do is jump on over to crypto bubbles to see that everything is very green today. Is there any red? A little bit down there. What's that? Kensho Kishi. No idea. No idea what that is. But anyway, we have definitely got a green day at the moment. So, let's go over the bits and bobs that's been going on over the past 24 hours. Oh, every bloody time it does the same thing. Here we go. 23,800. So we did, I think, hit 24,000. If we just jump on over to the Bitcoin chart here real quick. Did we hit 24,000 yesterday? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Just about by the looks of it. So this was yesterday's run-up with the FS. What was actually the meeting? It was the Fed meeting, wasn't it? Yeah, sorry, it was the Fed meeting. So this actually happened. We watched this live yesterday. We watched this literally pump and pump and pump, and it carried on going. So this is on the 2-hour chart just to see. So if we go into the 1-hour chart, you'll be able to see a little better. So we did have a bit of retracement there, and we went back up still. So looking very bullish for Bitcoin at the moment, you know? What did that candle go up to? $20,017, that one, the top right there. Closed a lot lower than that, as you can see, closed down here, but he did reach a top of 24,000, which is, you know, very, very bullish for crypto. As we can see down here, this is the RSI. This is going to be like the relative strength index. So as we can see here, money flow. Money flow is definitely flowing, you know, in the right direction from last night. So what this says to me is people are putting their money into valuable assets. Like, assets seem to be where people want to spend their money. They don't want to be putting it into a bank and watching it disappear in front of their eyes, you know? So I can really understand where this has actually come from. So that is the 1-hour chart. Let's jump back over here real quickly. So over the past 24 hours, we've had a 10% rise in Bitcoin. So if you bought 24 hours ago, you're 10% up. If you bought Ethereum, Jesus, look at that. We'll have a look at the Ethereum chart as well, see what we actually came up to yesterday. So, yeah, in 24 hours, we've gone up literally 16%. That's insane. That is a very, very large jump, considering we are supposed to be in a bear market, guys. XRP, 37 cents, so that's had a pump as well, 9% since yesterday. Cardano, 8%. Solana, $42, looking very good for Solana as well, very good. Polkadot. So, here's an interesting one. So the biggest venture capitals in America, they hold Polkadot as their #1 coin. Just putting it out there. Matic looking very good, 14% last night as well. Uniswap, 35%. Look at that. 35% in the past 24 hours. So this is why we're in crypto, guys. This is why. Ethereum Classic, as I said yesterday, was doing some brilliant things yesterday. I think Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, you know, before the fork from Classic to normal Ethereum now, you know, so he is very bullish still on Ethereum Classic. He believes that's a very good project, 60% in the past 7 days. 60% profit isn't bad, let's be honest, guys. So FTX token, $30 today. That's definitely a buying opportunity. Well, I wouldn't say a buying opportunity. It's a buying coin, but I'd wait a little bit longer. Litecoin, not a fan of. Kronos, like I said, still not a fan of. Chainlink, doing well, 11%. We like Chainlink. I like Near as well. Cosmos could be very interesting for the future. Stellar Lumens, I like Stellar Lumens. I like Algorand. I'm interested in ApeCoin. I'm not bullish. I'm interested just to see where it goes. Just to see. ICP looking very good, looking very strong, 9%. And HBAR, 7 cents a coin there. So if you are interested in getting some HBAR, still 7 cents a coin. We're going to have to see what actually happens with HBAR in the future, because I'm not entirely convinced 100%. I hold a bag, but I'm not completely convinced on HBAR. I need to see more people building on HBAR's hash graph. It's not a blockchain, it's a hash graph. So, moving on. What are the biggest bubbles we got going on? Uniswap, like I said earlier, 37%. SNX. So, this is like a DeFi thing, I think. I looked into it a little bit the other day. I can't remember if I think we did it on the live stream. Yeah, we did it on the live stream. We had a look about it. When he decides to load up. There we go. So, supply, very low supply, $212 million. Total supply, 215 million coins. Volume, good volume there. Fully diluted market cap is only, well, what is he, 500 million, so $500 million there. running on the Ethereum smart contract, so make sure you're doing your research before you're obviously buying these coins, guys. We look onto the all-time high, we should be able to gauge roughly where we are. So $28 was an all-time high. What were we today? $6, $4. So we could do some decent price action right there. But what is SNX? Let's do this real quick. So if you guys do want to do some research, this is how you do it. This is how you start anyway. So Synthetics is a decentralized finance DeFi protocol that provides on-chain exposure to a wide variety of crypto and non-crypto assets. Interesting. Okay. The protocol is based on Ethereum blockchain that offers users access to high liquidity synthetic assets, synths track and provide returns on the underlying assets without requiring one to directly hold. Ooh, I don't know about that. So there, you don't get to hold what you bought. They do. Nah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Not your keys, not your crypto, essentially, you know, same thing. So I'm not happy with that for that reason. Platform aims to broaden the cryptocurrency space by introducing non-blockchain assets. What do they mean by non-blockchain assets? That's what I'm interested in finding out. What do they actually mean? Synthetics is a decentralized exchange, a DEX. So it's just another DEX. Probably not worth chucking your money into, but obviously do your own research, guys. If you do find this very interesting, you've got a website there, look. You know, you can click down here to go on their Twitters and blah, blah, blah. If you click on the tag situation, these are all the tags. So DeFi, decentralized exchanges, derivatives, DAO, yield farming, Coinbase venture portfolio, 3 Hours Capital portfolio. Ooh, you don't want to put that on there. Ooh, get that off. Governance token. Ooh, we don't. If I'm honest, not a big fan from reading about it. Like, and do we really need another DEX? That is the question. So let's move on quickly because we are rambling on again. So fear and greed. I don't know why fear is higher than it was yesterday, considering we should. Obviously, yeah, the fear. Yeah, with less fear, more euphoria. Sorry, that was a weird one then. Yeah, so it's a little bit more euphoria than yesterday, so we're in a bit of a better place than yesterday, but still nowhere near where we were last week. So last month 10, we were right down here. So you know, it's a hodling moment for me. It's a hodling moment. So jumping back onto the charts, as you can see there, what do I expect Bitcoin to do? So if we jump into the 5 minutes, just have a little look to see what's actually happening. So if you do want to get trading view, jump on over to the first link in the description, and I've got a link for it there. What do I see happening there? To be honest with you, money flow is good. We are starting to come down in money flow, so judging by that alone, we're going to drop a little bit. Probably test this resistance again, I would imagine. So yeah, I roughly imagine, because that's you got the moving average line there, you've got supports and resistances, and then you've got the RSI down here. So make sure you're checking out all the charts, guys, because it is vitally important that you check out pretty much everything that is to do about the charts. Make sure you're looking on different time frames as well to make sure what you decide is the right decision. This is the 15 minutes, as we can see there. We cannot see anything bearish coming down from this. It all looks very good. We had a high, we had a lower high, we had a high. Well, it's still technically a low high from this one, but yeah, so it's interesting. I do expect it to test this resistance in the next 24 hours anyway. So if you do want the crypto news, make sure you're jumping on over to Crypto Panic. Absolutely brilliant website. Moving on, what was the most important thing we had? This is the one, yep. Bitcoin stays above 23k as US enters a technical recession. But they said yesterday, oh, we're not in a recession. We're really not. We're not worried about recession. And then boom, recession. So that's been quite a laugh from the Fed, let's be honest. Another thing is worth taking into consideration. Russian sanctions have hurt much more Western economies. Definitely the European economy. That's where we are now. So we are basically getting our energy from Europe at the moment because we can't even produce enough for the UK. So that's embarrassing. Bitcoin could move above $100,000 in the next couple of years. Definitely, next couple of years, definitely no problem there. So yeah, America's definitely in a recession at the moment. Whether the UK is, we don't know as of yet. Best crypto wallet is a Ledger, look right there. Yep, I own a Nano Ledger as well. Not sponsored, but I don't have a link either. So if you do want to grab yourself a Nano Ledger, I don't have a code for you, I'm afraid. What else have we got going on? Bad day for Coinbase. Trailer, SEC probe, and the Cathy Wood dump. So Cathy Wood dumped all her Coinbase stocks as well. I think she lost $200,000 from it. I don't know where this trailer is, though. I don't know what they mean by trailer. Hold on a second. Exchange funded ETFs, all on this day. The Coinbase closed, minus 21% after the trailer for his DGen trilogy. Okay. DGen trilogy. Anything with DGen in the name, you know. if you are into NFTs, you know, DGen is, well, I won't go down that route. The day after Woods sold, coin bounced up 11%. Ironically, given that she'd recently touted the crypto's bear market and was nearly an end. So this is another interesting one there. You know, Cathie Wood sold all her Coinbase stocks because she was accused of insider trading. She was, we all know she was. UK to propose extending property laws to recognise and protect cryptos. So they're trying to extend property laws into the similar size, into a similar category as cryptocurrencies, essentially. So they want the rules from property to be very similar to crypto. So this is just them trying to basically come up with a reason or like some sort of methodology to come up with regulation because we're screaming for regulation. Absolutely screaming with it. But it's nice to see the UK is actually doing things towards regulation. It's nice to see. As soon as we get a bit more information from the SEC, we shall know. Some digital assets, including crypto tokens, crypto assets, are treated as objects of property by market participants. Property and property rights, Jesus, are vital to modern social, economic and legal systems. Should be recognised and protected. Reforming the law to provide legal certainty would lay a strong foundation for developing and adopting digital assets. So it's very bullish for the UK on cryptocurrencies on this one. Very, very bullish. Very bullish. I like to see the UK doing good things. Where was the other one we had about the UK? It's there somewhere. Give me 2 seconds. Digital assets are a distinct category of property. So this is a very similar type of thing. The Law Commission of England and Wales. So basically they want crypto assets to be in the categories of properties. We need to do a bit more research to figure out how, you know, if this is a good thing for crypto or whether they need their own category. I think they need their own category, realistically, as a digital asset, you know? Because it's not a security, it's not a currency, it's not really a commodity. It's something on its own, you know? It's not a property, it's his own thing, it's his own digital asset. SEC fails to revoke XRP holders. Cardano loses popularity. Nothing interesting there. Regulators must do more to prevent crypto scams. So this is a big one. I'd love to see more people dealing with crypto scams, you know? There's one thing I do have to tell you guys. If you are jumping onto TikTok and following me over there, there is a scam account that's got about 500 followers that is literally ripping me off. I've literally only got just over 2k followers. Nothing to shout home about, but he's ripping me off already. So just goes to show that they will mimic anybody. They will scam from anything. So if you do get any DMs from Ace Crypto over on TikTok, if it has a dot after the Ace, that is not me. You'll see that it's mine. I've got like nearly 100 videos on mine rather than he's got 4 of my videos, like I said. So more needs to be done with the crypto scammers. Like seriously, more needs to be done. I don't know how we're going to actually come about this. I saw like insurance on NFTs the other day. I thought it was quite interesting. I think insurance would be a good way to go for NFTs and stuff like that. So they're not going to insure you for the entire NFT, but you might get some of your money back, which is nice to see. First NFT funded movie. Isn't that Russell Crowe? Oh. Fight of the Century, Well the Forgotten One, is now the story of Jam Belcher. Oh, for God's sake. It's one of this bloody websites, is it? Jeez, I am not paying for one article. I'm sorry, I'm not. I'll find it elsewhere. So, this looks quite interesting. An NFT movie. Movie is partially funded by New Digital Frontiers of NFTs with Prize Fighter. Currently shown on Amazon Prime. I mean, it's a 1 hour, 30-minute long movie, tells the story of the birth of boxing in England in 1809. Interesting? Okay, that could be quite interesting as it goes. Nothing quite massively bullish there, but let's move on to NFTs nonetheless. So, like we tell you every day, jump on over to Minty Score. Minty Score is going to be your best bet for finding NFT gems, along with Twitter, of course. So, jump on over to Twitter. Literally, in this search box here, type free mint. I'm not even lying to you guys. Literally type in free mint and look for basically what a lot of the NFT influencers are following, or blue chip holders are following, and go from there. There's not a massive amount of money to be made in NFTs at the moment, but quick flips is your way from free mints. You're not going to make a lot, but you will make some. Moving on, so we do have a whitelist slot available for Moonstrike. Don't know much about this NFT. I haven't looked into it yet, but I've just jumped over to our Discord, MCR Trading, link in bio. And we do have some whitelist slots available. So if you are interested in this project and you want to get involved, jump on over to the first link in the description and you'll come across MCR Trading. Great bunch of guys, over 4,000 members, and very, very active. Good for trading. Good for trading. We do cryptos, NFTs, stocks, and Forex. So, thank you very much for joining me today, guys. Make sure you're following all over on the Ace Crypto YouTube channel. We're on TikTok. We go live pretty much every day. As you can see, this is the right account to follow. This is my one and only account. Make sure this is the one, guys. No dot between Ace and the dash and the crypto. Follow me over on Twitter as well, because why not? And I'd much appreciate all the engagement you guys can give me. I'd much appreciate it. We're a small content creator, up and coming, and we're doing this for you guys. We're not charging anything at all for these alpha videos, but thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.